Welcome on our campus in Saarbrücken. My name is Tobias Kraus and I would like to show you a material that reacts to its environment. This material contains the sensitive particles. The new thing is that the particles can move inside this material. That is unusual. Most materials that contain particles do not let them move. The trick is to embed the particles into tiny oil droplets inside the material. We start by making particles in an oil. This oil is then split into small droplets which swim in water in an emulsion. If we do it right, this emulsion still contains the small particles inside of the oil droplets. This is a sample of the solid material which contains the droplets and the particles inside. In this one here, the particles are agglomerated at room temperature. Here's the dark sample. If we now heat the material, the particles inside the droplets separate from each other. The color changes and the material becomes bright red and more transparent. When we cool the material down again, the particles agglomerate. You can see it, its color gets darker and it becomes less transparent. Now, changing the color by temperature is nice, but we are working on more advanced stimuli. For example, if we would like to detect chemical substances and one day make a material that warns you, for example, if there are too many salmonella in your tiramisu. If you would like to know more, please see our publication. You can find the link here. Have a nice day.